All passengers
Sabi ko nga
with
kanina
connecting flights
yung
out of
kunin niya
Kuwait
parang mapaspas
Passengers who
yung
need assistance, please approach our cabin crew and ground staff who will be happy to assist you.
magaling yung piloto
On behalf of
natin.
Captain Ronan Velasquez, First Officer Epitulan, and Second Officer Tam, and the rest of the crew, we'd like to thank you for flying Philippine Airlines. Maraming salamat po.
Mabuhay.
Magaling ka.
Thank you po. Ingat sa amin.
Ingat sa atin.
Napakagaling naman ng photography. Ang dami niyang na
Ate, domestic ka. Wala terminal. Lilipat kayo niya. Bus kayo. Dadali kayo ng domestic. Gusto niyo maglakad na lang kayo.
Saan ka ba pupunta, te?